If your kidneys are quietly failing right now, would you even know it? Most people don't, until it's too late. You could feel fine today and still have only 30% of your kidney function left. Here's the truth. If you do any of these 10 things daily, you're silently destroying your kidneys. Let's talk about what they won't tell you until you're sitting in a doctor's office with a life-changing diagnosis. Hey, welcome to Nutrizlab. Today, we're cutting through the noise to uncover the top 10 daily habits that are wrecking your kidney health. No gimmicks, no fluff, just real science-backed insights that could save your life. Kidney disease is called the silent killer for a reason. You won't feel it coming, but I'll show you exactly how to spot it and how to stop it before it's too late. Visit Nutrizlab.com for in-depth articles and product reviews on everything health and wellness. But first, watch this video all the way to the end. Your kidneys filter over 200 liters of fluid every day. That's like processing 400 water bottles worth of waste daily. They regulate minerals, balance fluids, and remove toxins. But they can't scream when they're in trouble. They just quietly shut down. And the worst part? It's not rare. Millions are walking around with chronic kidney disease, CKD, and don't even know it. High blood pressure, diabetes, fatigue, swelling. These are all signs that your kidneys are in distress. Yet the real threat isn't what you think. It's not just genetics or accidents. It's your daily routine. Let's break down the 10 everyday habits that destroy your kidneys and what to do instead. 1. Daily blood sugar spikes. You eat bread, drink soda, love pasta, or sip juice. Innocent enough, right? Wrong. All of these things spike your blood sugar. Even occasional spikes damage the microscopic vessels in your kidneys, especially the glomeruli, which are vital for filtration. Over time, this damage accumulates silently. Your fix? Ditch processed carbs. Go for leafy greens, low-carb veggies, proteins, and healthy fats, like olive oil and coconut oil. Even if your fasting glucose looks fine, those post-meal spikes create micro-tears in your kidney's filtering system. Think of it like this. Every time your sugar rises, you're punching those tiny filters. Do that every day, and they'll wear out. 2. Processed foods and additives. You already know fast food isn't healthy, but phosphate additives hidden in dried fruits, sodas, and snacks? They're even worse. These stress your kidneys, strip your food of nutrients, and overload your system. Eat real, whole foods. Cook at home. Your kidneys will thank you. Phosphates are silent kidney killers. They're added to everything, from colas to deli meats, to improve texture and shelf life. But your kidneys pay the price. These chemicals are hard to filter out. Long-term exposure has been linked to faster kidney decline, especially if you already have some stage of CKD. 3. Overuse of painkillers. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatories, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen or naproxen, might help your headache, but they also reduce blood flow to your kidneys. Less blood means fewer nutrients and oxygen. Slower healing, more damage. Instead, reduce inflammation naturally with foods like turmeric and magnesium-rich greens. Many people pop these pills like candy after a workout, or for minor aches, but NSAIDs constrict blood vessels in your kidneys. If you're also dehydrated, double trouble. That reduced flow lowers the kidney's ability to filter, and chronic use leads to permanent damage. 4. Chronic dehydration. Think tea, soda, or coffee count as hydration? They don't. Your kidneys need water. Without it, toxins concentrate, stones form, and your blood thickens. Drink clean water throughout the day. If you sweat often, consider a quality electrolyte supplement with balanced minerals. Water is your kidney's best friend. Without enough, your kidneys can't flush out waste. That's when crystals start to form. Kidney stones. and thickened blood puts extra strain on the filtering units, causing damage over time. Make it simple. Drink a glass of water first thing in the morning, before meals, and before bed. 5. High blood pressure. If your blood pressure is over 140 regularly, you're already damaging the tiny vessels inside your kidneys. The friction and pressure scar and harden them. Reduce insulin resistance, stay active, breathe deeply, and avoid excess salt only if you already have CKD. Your kidneys aren't just victims of high blood pressure, they can also cause it. It's a vicious cycle. Damaged kidneys struggle to balance fluids, and that throws off your blood pressure even more. Start tracking your BP at home. Know your numbers. Anything above 130 needs your attention. 6. Sugar overload. Added sugars, not just from desserts but from healthy bars, yogurts, or juices, are toxic to your kidneys. Fructose creates oxidative stress and raises uric acid, causing inflammation. Swap sugar with berries or cut it out altogether if you have kidney damage. High fructose intake overwhelms your liver and kidneys. It raises triglycerides and uric acid, both of which damage your blood vessels. You might not feel it now, but those dessert habits will catch up. Read labels. Even salad dressings and sauces can be loaded with sugar. 7. Excess lean protein. Too much lean protein, like skinless chicken or rabbit meat without fat, creates urea and nitrogen waste. That burdens your kidneys. Eat protein with healthy fats like eggs, fatty fish, or grass-fed meats to reduce that load. Protein isn't bad, but pounding down protein shakes or going heavy on grilled chicken every day, not smart, especially if your kidney function is below 60%. Balance is key. Add healthy fats and listen to your body. Too much nitrogen in your blood is a red flag for kidney stress. 8. Ignoring your lab results. Your eGFR or creatinine levels are early warning signs. Don't wait until the doctor waves a red flag. Track your numbers. Know that even if they're within range, you could still be in early-stage CKD. Most doctors won't alert you until your function drops below 60, but damage starts way earlier. If you're between 60-90, that's stage 2 CKD. Monitor your labs yearly. Use a simple spreadsheet and learn the meaning behind eGFR, creatinine, BUN, and ACR. 9. Chronic stress and poor sleep. Stress raises cortisol, increases blood pressure, and worsens inflammation. All kidney killers. Poor sleep worsens this cycle. Manage stress with breathing, nature, movement, and quality rest. Your kidneys need recovery time too. Sleep is when your body repairs. Chronic sleep deprivation means chronic inflammation. Add stress on top, and your kidneys are under non-stop assault. Start by setting a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid screens before bed. Get natural light in the morning. 10. Insulin resistance. This is the big one. Insulin resistance doesn't just lead to diabetes. It's the #1 cause of kidney failure. Yet it starts silently. You need to track your A1C, insulin levels, and monitor your post-meal glucose spikes to catch it early. And fix it with lifestyle, not meds. Most people think blood sugar is the only thing that matters, but insulin is the silent killer. It keeps climbing for years before blood sugar ever does. That's when the damage starts, inside your kidneys. Learn how to test fasting insulin. Use tools like CGMs or glucometers to learn your patterns. Here's the harsh truth. You can't fix what you won't face. You might feel okay today, but the choices you make daily are either healing your kidneys or damaging them. If you wait for symptoms, you'll be waiting too long. Start now. Cut the sugar. Drop the processed junk. Drink water. Track your labs. Get out in the sun. Sleep better. Your kidneys are resilient, but they're not invincible. Now you know what's really at stake. These 10 habits may seem small, but over time, they break down one of your body's most vital systems. Start with one change today. Swap soda for water. Add greens to your plate. Breathe deeply before bed. Remember, silent damage becomes permanent damage. If this video helped you understand how to protect your kidney health, hit that subscribe button for more life-saving tips from Nutrizlab. And don't forget to visit www.nutrizlab.com for expert-backed articles, detailed supplement reviews, and practical wellness guides designed to help you live stronger and longer.